This video, I'll walk you through a complete workflow for creating 180 degrees stereoscopic video, also known as immersive spatial video, optimized for the Apple Vision Pro. In my previous guide, I showcased how to turn 180-degree footage into 360-degree stereoscopic videos. That workflow is perfect when you want to wrap the video around a skybox or an inverted sphere in a Vision OS app. But let's be honest, if your content only covers 180 degrees, encoding the full 360 degrees is a waste of bandwidth and resources. That's where this new workflow comes in. The first step is converting your stereoscopic video to MVHEVC. Right now, the only reliable tool I've found for this is MV Converter. It's not the most elegant tool, especially if you have a lot of files. So plan accordingly. Maybe run the conversion at the end of your shift. Drag your stereoscopic video into the app. Usually, there's no need to change any settings except the output folder. Start the conversion, grab a coffee, or better yet, leave it running overnight. Just remember to check in occasionally. There's nothing worse than finding out the second job failed and blocked the rest of your batch. With your freshly converted MVHEVC file, you can preview it directly on your Apple Vision Pro using the Apple Immersive Video utility. Just drag the video into the app, connect with your Vision Pro, and hit play. Interestingly, the tool clearly supports 180 degrees playback, even though full end-to-end 180 degree support still seems absent from Apple's standard pipeline. It's a great way to get a proper sense of the immersion before you move on to editing or streaming. Once your MVHEVC files are ready, import them into your Final Cut Pro project. Here's the key part. Go to your project settings and choose Custom Format. Match the resolution to your original footage. In my case, that's 3072 by 3072. And set the frame rate accordingly. Here it's 50 FPS. Then switch the projection type to Spatial Stereo 3D. You'll notice FCP now lists resolution per eye. From here, editing works pretty much like any other video. Just note, you won't get the 360-degree viewer unless you manually toggle it. But it's not very useful here, since you're working in 180 degrees. Final Cut also includes some enhanced 3D tools that I haven't fully explored yet, so if you do, let me know how it works for you. To export, choose the Apple Vision Pro preset. That's it! You now have a native spatial video ready for the device. Once your editing is complete and the video is exported, you can use the Apple Immersive Video utility again, this time for a final quality check. Make sure the video plays smoothly, the stereoscopic effect feels natural, and the 180-degree view is comfortable to watch. It's a quick but essential step to ensure your immersive video is ready for sharing or streaming. For web streaming, bring your final video into Apple Compressor. Choose the preset Prepare for HTTP Live Streaming HEVC and make sure all your video properties are correctly set, especially the stereoscopic format, which should be set to side-by-side when streaming 180 degrees 3D video. If you change the frame size, make sure that center crop for output aspect ratio is not set. Remember, you have a 2:1 ratio when you have stereoscopic on. When changing the parameters, check the description in the top. Be sure to define the output location for the entire HLS package. I recommend removing some of the lower quality variants, like cellular small, medium, and large, as they are typically unusable for immersive spatial content. Keeping only HD and UHD variants ensures much better quality, even if it results in slightly slower playback startup. If you plan to create more immersive videos, it's a good idea to copy and save the modified preset for future use. I use a simple Nginx setup to stream the resulting HLS files. It supports all modern players and devices, including the Vision Pro. This is my configuration for Nginx. That's it, your full 180-degree immersive workflow, from raw stereoscopic footage to streamed HLS video for Apple Vision Pro. If you have any tips, tools, or tricks for working with MVHEVC or spatial video, Let me know in the comments.